Hello guys, welcome to this week's analysis. So currently I'm looking at Euro USD. All right, so for Euro USD, we can see that we had a very strong downward momentum, right? And we believe that the momentum is going to continue. But before we do so, price needs to at least reprice before we can get that other leg down. Right, so if you can take on our way down, right? We took sell side liquidity in here, right? Also in here, below here as well, right? And as price was delivered, it was effectively and efficiently delivered in here. So I believe that when we open, price will most likely trade higher to this first fair value gap. Right. So in the first fair value gap, we want to see some reaction in here. Okay, so if I do not see the halfway point, the equilibrium point of this mean threshold, right, being respected, I will ignore, right, and continue monitoring the pair. But what we would like to see most likely is price to come and give us bodies, right, that close below this mean threshold of the fair value gap. All right, if we don't get that, we will watch how price trades above, right, into this fair value gap as well. And we can mark it from here all the way down here, right, the halfway point in here, right? We want to see price respecting these levels. So in the group and in the channel, if I am free, I will be updating on how I see price behaving in these zones. But basically, right, we want to see an upward movement, right? Trade above these guys here, take the buy side liquidity into the fair value gap. It doesn't necessarily have to close full on, right? But we want to see rejection in here. Board is closing below the fair value, the mean threshold of this fair value gap, right? And this can help us into deciding where to enter exactly, right? So we are going to be looking at 3 points, right? This fair value gap, right? This fair value gap. And in between these two, we have this order block right here, right? So in terms of the targets, we are going to be aiming for 1.1820 and 1.17 800, right? So these are going to be the two take profit levels that I'm going to be eyeing as well,